Hey, hi all. Good morning. So, so far we have discussed how to create a table, how to insert data, how to see the structure of a table, how to see the data of a table, how to apply some basic filter condition using where clause, and what is a greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal, not equal operator. Okay. So, those who have joined yesterday, so I will request you guys to please go through the recording. We have shared the recording link as well. So don't think that we are sharing new link every day. If you will see that we have one channel, in that we have created a separate playlist for you. Okay, so in that playlist we will keep on adding all the recordings. Okay, so links we are sharing on a daily basis just for reference, or else you can go through that playlist and you can find all the recordings will be present in that playlist only. Okay, so I will start today with the assignment discussion, but before that, do you have any question, anyone? Any general query or any query related to this course, or any topic which we have discussed yesterday you want to repeat or discuss? It is not clear, anything? Okay, so far so good. Okay, I will start with the 16th November assignment, which I have given day before yesterday. Any question in this assignment question? Did you guys tried solving it?
Yes.
Tell me which question you want me to discuss.
Yeah.
So you solved all the questions, guys, everyone. Okay,
Yes.
I will start with. Okay, good. This is a very simple. We have to create a finance table. This is very simple. Transaction ID, customer name, customer location as a column. So for transaction ID, what will be the data type you will keep?
Int.
Integer. Yeah. Suppose if the transaction ID is alphanumeric, okay, it has alphabets and digits as well, then what will be the data type?
Varchar.
Varchar 50. Okay. I repeat, we have not discussed in detail what is varchar, what is 50, why I cannot keep 100. So when I will be teaching you this data type class, in that class I will teach you that in detail. So don't worry about that. Don't think much about that. In a separate class, we will look into all those aspects. Okay. Customer name. What will be the data type?
Varchar.
Varchar.
Varchar 50. Customer location.
Varchar 50.
Varchar 50. Okay. Okay, good. Coming to question number 2. Create table fund. So here we are trying to create a table. This is the syntax. 1 minute. Okay. So here I'm trying to create a table. The name of the table is fund. Okay.
Fund.
So this fund is a reserved keyword or user defined keyword?
User defined.
User defined. Okay. I have kept here number. You can keep it as int as well. Number and int both are same. Your wish, you can keep anyone, but I will suggest you to keep int only. Why I'm telling not to keep number, I will tell you. I will explain you all these things down the line. Okay. Here you can see it is varchar2. You can use either varchar or varchar2. They both are same. Don't get confused with this. But in our course, generally we will be writing varchar. Then again, this is amount is number. Now, if I will insert data in this table, if I'm using this script, guys, please go on mute. Mohsin, can you please go on mute? I will request everyone to please go on mute if you're not speaking. You know that disturbs everyone. Okay, so humble request, please, if you're not speaking, go on mute. Okay. So fine. So tell me one thing. If I will run this code insert into fund values, I'm trying to insert this record 1, 200 and 100. What will be the output? It will be inserted or what will happen?
It will show error
It will
Why?
show error
Why?
because in the
because
numeric place it will be adding alphabet very first
alphabet.
funded number. Funded number.
Numeric place, which
Funded
column?
ID.
First funded number.
First ID, fund ID na in that we have a number, integer column. Integer we have put a data type
Okay,
and we are giving the alphabet type. That's why it is putting the error, giving the error.
okay, okay. Let me check this. So I have created this fund table, fund ID, fund name, and amount is the column, right? And then I am trying to insert data, insert into fund values. This is the data I'm trying to insert in this table, right? So let me run this. Oh, it is throwing error message. The reason is this fund ID is a number data type. Number or integer, they both are the same. And you are trying to pass alphabet. This is alphabet, no? You are trying to pass alphabet. That is why engine is throwing error message. So what we learned, if a column is number or integer data type, you should not pass alphabet. You have to pass only integers or numbers. Clear?
Yes.
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 Okay. So to fix this problem, what I will do, I will remove this one and I will write this one here. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to run it. Please observe the output. Oh, great. Record is inserted now. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
See,
Yes.
these are the very basic things. Okay, so this I'm trying to make you understand how to insert data and all this stuff. Okay, but when you will work in project, now all this activity will be taken care by data engineer. You will be having ready-made script to do all these things. But sometime when you're working in project, you have to do some analysis and you want to insert some dummy data. In those cases, you should know all this process, that how to insert one or record, two record, 10 record. But because sometimes when you have to do some testing or analysis on some sample data, you want to insert some mock data. In those cases, this is very useful. So what will be the correct answer for this question?
First.
One.
This will show error
First.
3.
First one.
This will throw error as fund ID is in numeric column and can't store is string value. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next question.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
So Tanvir, my question is, for fund ID number, you have, changed to like numeric and it is showing the correct answer. So for fund name varchar, you have given like under, apostrophe 200. So, it is also, something which you have told that we need to add something new, alphanumeric or like alphabets. So you have given like 200. So it's not showing error for that. So is it acceptable for, for varchar you are giving like 200 in quotations?
Okay. It's a very good question Nitish has asked. So Nitish is asking that Nitish is asking that Tanvir, for fund name, this is varchar, correct? Then you are trying to insert 200, which is number. So don't you think this will throw error message? That is your question, Nitish, right?
Yeah.
So if a column is varchar, okay, suppose this column, this is a varchar, so it can accept anything. It can accept numbers, it can accept alphabets, it can accept alphanumeric, anything. But the only condition is you have to keep that within quotes. You see this 200 I have passed within quotes.
Yeah.
That is the only condition. But if a column is varchar, anything it will accept. Whatever you want to pass, you pass it. It will accept it.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. That's a good question. Okay, hope it is clear so far, everyone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. And please ask question if you have any doubt. Okay. Next question, question number 3. See, today I'm working on all the questions. But down the line, like how we proceed is we'll be sharing your assignment questions on a daily basis on an average 10 question. Sometime it might be 15, 16, 12, sometime it might be 5, 8, based on the topics what we have discussed. On an average, 10 questions will be shared on a daily basis. And if you're really serious to learn SQL, okay, then please work on the assignment. I have told this yesterday as well. Okay, you will feel the difference within 1 week. That is my guarantee. Okay. But if you're not working on assignment, if you're just listening the lecture, the theory part, that will not be enough, guys. Okay. And if you're thinking that once I'll be done with the lectures and theory, then I will sit and I will complete all the assignments, again, that will not work, because maybe you will forget many of the concepts. And again, you have to go through the lectures. So simultaneously, this 1 month, show some strong dedication. Okay. Keep your all other activities which is not on priority and some dummy bucket, and bring this SQL on priority. This is very important. Trust me, market is like anything for SQL. Okay, you scan LinkedIn, most of the job profile, you check it, they will ask that SQL, and it has greater than more than 60% weightage in interviews they're giving to SQL. Golden opportunity, especially I'm talking to non-technical and freshers. It's a golden opportunity. Grab the market, seize the opportunity, learn it. Okay. And feel free to ask question, whatever question is coming in your mind. Okay, don't think that, okay, my question is silly, all other are intelligent in this group. No. So ask question, whatever is coming in your mind. Okay, fine. Question number 3, which of the following statement is or are correct? First statement, we can create 2 tables with the same name in a particular database. Is this allowed to create 2 tables with the same name?
No.
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 Okay, it is not allowed to create 2 tables with the same name. If you want, I will show you the proof. Right now, I've created a table with the name fund, correct? So suppose again, I'm trying to create a table with the name fund, and I have some different column names. Suppose this name is ID, this name is name column, and this is transaction amount. Okay. Again, I'm trying to create a table, new table, but with the same name, fund. Oh, what is the error message? Name is already used. Okay. So Sadabdi, if you are there in this call, so this is the error message you are getting yesterday, right? So if you're trying to create the same table again, okay, it will throw error message, because that is not allowed in a database. You should not create 2 tables with the same name. Okay. What's the next question? Okay, so this is false statement. Second one, reserved keywords cannot be used to create a table. Is this true or false?
True.
True. You should not use reserved keyword to create a table of your name, okay, or your column name. That should not be used. That is reserved for SQL engine. You should not use that for your purpose. Okay. The next is a table cannot have more than 50 columns. True or false?
False.
False. You can create a table with n number of columns, 50, 60, 100. There is no restriction on that, but it is suggested to create a table with less number of columns because of the concept of normalization. Normalization we will discuss down the line if time permits, although that's a topic of ETL class. I will, if time permits, we will discuss it, not an issue. Okay. Hope question number 3 is clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So actually nowadays in few of the companies, what they are doing, suppose if they will select you for the screening test, so first of all they will give you this 10 to 15 or 20 SQL multiple choice question. Okay, and the time frame will be 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you're able to solve it, then they will conduct the second round of interview. And this MCQ questions are a little bit tricky because they check your conceptual understanding of SQL. So you have to be very careful while answering this. Okay, next question number 4. Create a college table with this column and insert appropriate data accordingly. Hope you all have done this. This is very simple. You have to create a college
Yes.
table and
Yes.
this column,
Yes.
and you have to insert data. Okay, so fine. create table cells. Okay, question number 5. Guys, please go on mute if you're not, if you don't have anything to speak. Question number 5, create table cells. So here, sorry, here I'm trying to create a table with the name cells, and these all are the columns, and this is the data type. Okay, I'm trying to insert this A100 in this cells table. So what will happen? The data will be inserted, or it will throw error message. What do you think, guys?
Error.
Throw
A
error.
option.
So error message.
No, no, no.
It will throw error. Why it will throw error?
Alphabet very first.
Okay,
Customer
clear.
ID.
And
Customer ID is a number column, right?
amount also.
Cust ID is number column. It will accept only number. You should not give any other value. So you can see I have passed here A is alphabet. That is not allowed. That is why this will throw error message. And amount as well. You are correct. Amount. What is the data type of amount?
One.
Integer.
Numeric.
Number or integer. They both are same. So, and I have tried to pass here 100. Okay. So this is again alphabet. So this will throw error message, which is not allowed. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello, Tanvir.
Yeah, please tell.
Yeah, Tanvir, sorry to interrupt you. I'm
Hmm.
getting confused with the varchar 210 and varchar 50. And yeah,
Both. Sorry. Okay, I understood. Even if I'm writing varchar 2, or else let me clear this one. Now, 1 minute, guys. I will give clarification. It's a valid concern. Otherwise, you all will get confused always.
and
Let
one
me
more
explain this.
example related to alphanumeric.
Alphanumeric. What alphanumeric you're telling? Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you repeat what you're telling? Alphanumeric.
He's saying that varchar is related to alphanumeric.
Okay, let me answer that
Yeah.
now. Actually, we discuss all these things in data type class, but let me discuss now. Okay, that is creating some confusion, right?
Yeah.
Suppose this is varchar, okay, and I have kept this as size 10. Okay, I am creating this table, cells table. Table is created, correct? Okay, and suppose the customer ID is 100. Okay, customer name is Tanveer Khan. Okay, amount is 500 rupees. Okay, now I'm trying to insert this data. Okay, fine. Trying to insert. Oh, sorry. So into cells. Syntax was not correct. That is why it has thrown error message. Now check the output. Oh, it has thrown error message. Can you help me to understand why this error message is there? Can anyone help me to understand
Because of 10 words.
Because we have been
Tanveer Khan is
10.
exceeding the length
10
of
limit.
the custom name.
Okay, good. So you all understood. See, customer name. Cust name is customer name. I have told varchar 10. So I am telling SQL engine that SQL for this customer name, please reserve 10 spaces. Okay, 10 space, or in memory, please reserve only a space for 10 characters. Is this clear?
Yes.
Clear, no? Okay.
Yeah.
You have reserved place for 10. It is like you move, you are going to some cinema hall. Okay, you want to see some movie. Okay, so you have booked 5 tickets. So is it possible you can, you 6 friends can go there? They will
No.
allow you?
No.
They will not allow. You have booked 5 tickets only, right? Similarly, now in Tanveer Khan, this is the customer name. Now count the characters. How many
11.
characters is it? E is 1 character, A is 2nd character, N is 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. A space will also be counted. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 characters. Okay. That is why engine is telling me, Tanveer, actually the value what we are passing, in that we have 12 characters, but maximum I can allocate 10 spaces to you. Is this clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So you understood the meaning of this 10?
Yes.
That is why on a safer side I taught you in the first class that safer side keep it 50. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, fine. Now next confusion what you guys have is that Tanveer, 1 minute. Okay, this concept is clear to everyone? 10, 50, which one to you?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So that is why on a safer side, you will see in all my assignment questions, we are giving 50 characters. Okay, on a safer side. Because if I will keep 5 or 10 or 20, sometime this will again, the engine will be confused, it will throw error message. Okay, so on a safer side, give 50. Okay. Now the next question is, then sometime you're writing varchar2. Why you're writing varchar2? Sometime you're writing varchar. What is the difference? See, try to understand this. Varchar and varchar2. Varchar stands for variable character. Why the name is variable character? We will discuss all these things. Don't go in that discussion. My main target is to first of all give you some basic understanding of SQL. You should understand. Then we'll go in all these theoretical concepts. Okay. So varchar and varchar2, actually they both are exactly same. If you want, you can try this. In this table, you give varchar and then give varchar2, insert some values, everything will be same. Then the question is, then why this varchar2, right? Why this varchar2? So this varchar2 is applicable only on Oracle platform. So Oracle, see on this what we are practicing, no, this is the Oracle platform. Okay. So here you can use varchar or varchar2, both will work. The reason is, listen very carefully. This varchar2 is a new data type which Oracle has coined, or it is it is their own property. No other platform has this varchar2. Okay. Then now the question is that already if they have varchar, then why they started this new varchar2? The reason is they have announced it. Maybe if you will Google, you will get this answer. They have announced it that please don't use varchar, because from the next releases, maybe they will assign this varchar to some other data type. Okay. And that is why they are telling to use varchar2. Okay. But this varchar2, if you will practice on Microsoft or any other platform, no, so you will see this will throw error message if you're writing varchar2. Okay. So to avoid all this confusion, so those who are very new to SQL, we just tell them that use varchar, not to confuse you guys. But if you're working on this Oracle platform, you see it is written here, no, Oracle. This is the Oracle platform. Okay. You can write varchar, you can write varchar2, both will work. But to avoid this confusion, we suggest our students to please use varchar always. Is this clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Clear, no?
Yeah.
So okay, fine. No, let me proceed further. Okay. So we have discussed this as well. Cells we have discussed. Question number 8. Cells table again I am trying to create, and I am trying to pass this value. So what will be the output? It will be inserted, it will throw error message.
Show error.
Why this will throw error
Columns are
message?
less and given inputs are high.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, see. So here, how many columns you have? Cust ID is one column, cust name is second column, amount is third column. So in this cells table, how many columns I have?
3.
3 columns. But values, how many values I am passing? One value, 2, 3, 4. 4 values I am trying to pass. So this will throw error message. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Now next is question number 9. Create your introduction. Guys, anyone? Any question? So far, is it clear? Any
Clear.
doubt, anyone?
No, sir. All good.
All good? Okay, good. So question number 9, create your introduction table with name, years of experience, qualification, location, hobby as column, insert data accordingly. Hope you all have worked on this. Very simple.
Yes.
Okay, fine, perfect. Moving to question number 10. This is very important. This I will explain. This is from my project. I have taken this example, previous project in which I was working. And most of the assignment questions which we will give you, those all are from my project in which we have worked. So we have just twisted the data a little bit to give you understanding that in real project how it works. And this will help you. Okay, So maybe I have told you in the beginning that we will guide you that, okay, if you have worked in the non-technical background, we have received many questions like, Tanvir, I am working 5 years in non-technical, and if I will move to data industry, IT industry, so those 5 years of experience, I will not be getting any benefit from that. You are correct. If you will project in such a way that you have worked in non-technical background, so if you are planning to enter IT industry, so during your interview, or maybe if you have cracked the interview during salary discussion round, so those 5 years of experience, they will not count. But if you're able to prove it to the interviewer that no, this 5 years you were in non-technical, but you're working on data side. You see, SQL is not for technical person only. I'm not sure how many of you know. Those who are working in pharmaceuticals, they're also using SQL. Those who are working in mechanical field, they're also using SQL. Those who are working in banking sector, they're also using SQL. So you have to showcase your experience in such a way that it will reflect that no, this guy has worked on SQL. This guy has worked on data related job profile. So we will guide you that how you have to project that in that sense. Okay. So we'll give you all this real-time project example. So from this, that will give you a sense that what happens in a data-related job profile, or what are the roles and responsibility. So this scenario, which I'm giving question number 10, this is exactly from my project. Okay. Shall I start? Everything fine?
Yes.
Okay. So the business analyst of my team needs a table to be created in database with below a specification or details. Okay. So business analyst is a job profile in IT industry. So he wants to create a table, okay, in database. So generally business analyst doesn't create all those things. He will ask the data engineer or the SQL developer to create this. And this happens earlier, okay, 5-10 years back, the business analyst will know only the functional thing and how the business works. But nowadays it is expected that the business analyst should know the technical things also. He should know how to run query. He should know how to fetch data. Okay. So suppose the business analyst of my team has asked me that, Tanvir, please create this transaction table. And in this transaction table, please add this column: transaction ID, amount, location, payment mode, and status. Hope this is clear. Question is clear, first of all?
Yeah. Yes.
So business analyst has asked me, suppose I'm the developer of that project. He's asked me that, Tanvir, can you please create a transaction table and please add this column in that. Okay. So what I have done, I have created this transaction table and I have kept all these columns and the data type. Now you have to think and tell me what is the error in this statement, line number 30.
Location watcher 1 only. Location watcher 1 only given location.
Start with this. Is this correct?
Basically, the
Yes.
data type
Correct.
and size of the
No,
columns
no,
are
no,
not
no.
matched.
no,
Correct.
1 minute. Start with this.
Correct.
Is the
Correct. This is correct.
table name is incorrect.
Table name is incorrect.
Incorrect.
Table name
Spelling.
is incorrect.
Spelling.
Here you see, this is
Table name is
transaction,
incorrect.
TION. Here I have missed I. Do you think this is correct?
No, no.
No.
No. Okay, suppose then you can challenge this, that Tanvir, okay, fine, we agreed that the table name is not correct, I is missing here, but what is the problem with that? Correct, you can ask this question, no? That what is the problem? I will inform to business analyst that by mistake I forgot I. What is the problem, guys, in this?
While searching the table, it will some throw error. We are searching the error by transaction name, but we have created a table with a missing I. That's that time. I think so.
Okay, see, when in your project, when a new project starts now, so first of all you'll be having a requirement gathering call or requirement analysis call. Okay, in that call, your business stakeholder, your business analyst, your technical lead, your test lead, your product manager, everyone will be there. Okay, and they will discuss that what is your requirement. Okay, what data you want or what software you want, what the business logic you have, and everything will be mentioned in the FRD document, and this will be the responsibility of business analyst. And that FRD document is known as functional requirement document. Okay, in that it is like a MS Word document, and nowadays people are using Confluence link as well, Confluence page. So that FRD document will be shared to everyone. Okay, that will be shared to test lead, then testers, the developers, the business analysts, the data analysts, the SQL developer, the data engineer, the product managers, the stakeholders. Okay. In that FRD, it is mentioned as transaction. Okay. Now I am the developer. I have created this table transact 10. Okay. Now suppose I told to business analyst that yes, I have created this table. Okay. And I told to business analyst that suppose business analyst is Ankit. Okay. I told to Ankit that Ankit, by mistake I forgot I here. Okay. So Ankit knows this, correct? So he will not be having problem. But others, if they want to see the data, so what they will do? They will write this query, no? Correct? They will search
Yes.
for this table. Now tell me, do you think this table is present in the database?
No, not present.
No. It will throw error message, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you have not created this table, sir. You have created this table. Correct, no?
Yes. Yes.
So that
Yes.
is why when you are creating the table name, you have to create the table name with the same spelling, because it is not like you or your business analyst will be using that table. A lot of people will be using the same table, and that will create a confusion. Even if the table here, suppose here, even if the spelling is wrong, you have to create the same table with the wrong spelling. You should not apply your common sense here. Is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
These all things has happened in our project. That is why I told you this. This is, although this is very simple, but very important use case. Fine. And again, when I will teach you joins concept, very important concept of SQL. Again, if the table name is incorrect, the join will fail. Is it clear? Shall I proceed further?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me the first thing, transaction ID. Is this correct?
Yeah.
Transition underscore ID.
No.
Underscore
No,
ID.
sir.
In
Data
the
type is not
FRD,
correct.
no, I'm not talking about data type. In the FRD, it is mentioned as you have to
No,
give
no,
a
okay.
space underscore between
No.
transaction and ID. Correct? Underscore is there. Have I kept underscore here?
No. No.
It is not
No.
there. Okay. So again, if someone is trying to pull transaction ID, so he will write this query. Transaction underscore ID. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct? No. But
Yeah, yeah.
you have created transaction ID. So that will again throw error message, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me do one thing. Let me first create this table. Then it will be more clear. This table is created. The one which I have created. I told to Ankit, who is the business analyst, that Ankit, I have created that table. Okay. Now Ankit wants to see the transaction ID. So he is writing this query. Oh, it is throwing error message, transaction ID invalid identifier. Why? I have created transaction ID column, no? Then why it is throwing error message? Can you help me to understand,
Under
guys?
underscore is missing in the table column.
Underscore is missing. Got it? No? Because in
Yeah.
FRD it is mentioned you have to keep underscore. You applied your common sense, or by mistake you missed underscore. So now see what is the problem. Business analyst will not get this data. He will be confused. Then he will drop an email to me that Tanvir, what table you have created here? Transaction ID column I could not see. Then I will tell that no, I can see here. And then lot of mail chains will happen. And the problem is you are not following the FRD document properly. So especially those who are freshers and you're entering the IT industry, this kind of mistakes I have seen during my career, IT industry career, these are common mistakes. So FRD document, you have to follow very strictly. Don't apply your common sense. This can be a very big mistake. Maybe this will, this are having such a severe impact that maybe this will impact your report as well. Because suppose I'm using this query, and this query will publish transaction ID on the report. Those will be as a Power BI developer. So this will show you incorrect error message. And finally on the report, you will not show transaction ID. And then your business stakeholders who are looking at report, they will think that why the transaction ID is not visible. What is the issue? Very small mistake you have done. You have missed underscore. Clear? Okay. Data type is varchar 250. This is fine. I have kept varchar. Okay. What about this amount column? Is this correct?
No.
No.
Why?
As per the
Incorrect.
document, they have
Amount
mentioned the amount.
completely written.
Same.
Right,
Here
it's very
amount
clear.
was in full. I use
Yeah.
this SMS language AMT. So this is again not acceptable. Got
Yeah.
it? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What about location? Here the spelling is correct. It is written as LOCATION. I have used the same spelling. But here what is the mistake?
One instead of
One, we
50.
have given a space
Location is
only
a
one.
reserved keyword. So you cannot use it.
No, location is not a result keyword.
One.
The
Very
bank
lowest
can only, we have given a
value.
space
Ah.
of one only.
Good. How many space I have allocated to location here?
One.
One
One.
only.
Do you think only one character is sufficient to store location of any
No.
employee
No.
or any customer? No.
No.
At least location I have to give 10 or 20 characters. Okay, suppose transaction happened in Delhi. So how many characters you have? DELHI, 5 characters. Chennai, again 5 or 6
Six.
characters. So if I will give one, so this will create problem. The data will not be inserted. This is exactly same as this issue which I have shown you, that Tanveer Khan I was trying to insert this one. Okay, so you have to be careful with the data type size as well. Is this clear?
Yes.
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 Clear to everyone, no? I'm
Yes.
getting response
Yes,
from
yes.
very selected participant. Clear, guys? Okay.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Next is the status. What is the problem in this status?
No. No problem.
Long
No
size.
problem. Sorry.
We have given long size.
Long size. Okay. Then okay. Good. See, generally a status column generally gives you the final status, like yes, no, true, false, active, inactive, like this. Okay, so hardly a status will you have to pass hardly 10 characters at max. Then you are giving 100 characters. You have reserved 100 space. So don't you think you are wasting some extra spaces here?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Extra
So
memory
10
will-
is sufficient. 10 is sufficient for this. So if you think that you can achieve that, or you can insert data in a particular column by using 10 characters or 15 characters, no need to give very huge character size. Okay, 10 is sufficient. Is that clear?
Yes, it is clear, but if 100 is there also by default in the program, there
That's not a
will be
problem.
no issue. Yeah, okay.
No issue at all. But you are wasting the space of disk.
Yes,
You are
correct.
allocating a space
Sorry.
without any benefit. So, yeah, tell me.
No, using extra memory.
Sorry, so you are telling something. Can you?
Memory, extra memory.
Correct. Extra memory you are allocating, that will be wastage, right? Okay, suppose
Yes.
you went to Bangalore, okay, and alone hardly one BHK is sufficient for you. You can stay in PG. But suppose if you will take 3 BHK, does that make sense? No,
No.
No.
correct. It is exactly like that only. If you want to stay alone in Bangalore, 1 BHK is more than enough. Why you're going for 3 BHK, or you will buy bungalow or villa? No use, right? Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
But there is one more issue in this status. Think and tell me. And you all know the answer, just you have to think little.
S is in lowercase.
Sequence.
No. Column name is not case sensitive. You can write in uppercase or lowercase.
Sequence, I think so.
It should be in the
Sequence.
last.
Very good, very good. Salik has answered, I think, yes. Sequence is very important. Here the business analyst told me that Tanveer's status is in last, right? It is in last, no?
Yes.
But here I have kept it in second last. So this is also a problem. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Then this one.
Mm,
Name is
The
different.
column name is different. Payment for
Here
the
my
report.
business
Payment
analyst.
mode is written.
Correct. Business analyst told that the column name should be payment mode.
Payment
And
mode.
I have written as mode of payment.
Mode of payment.
Although they both makes the same business use case, they both make the same sense, but you have to follow this strictly what your business analyst has told, because guys, see, this will be shared among different stakeholders. You cannot keep name based on your convenience, okay, or based on your understanding. Okay, so hope it is clear. This question is clear to you? Okay. Okay, good. So those who are working in project, please be careful with all these things. This is very important. Okay. Okay. Fine. Moving to the next assignment.
Tanveer, I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, please
So
tell.
we can see that all the keywords, they are in a different color. But then location is also of the same color. So is there any reason behind it, or
Ignore it. Ignore it. Actually, this color doesn't make any sense here. Okay. But because this is open source tool, Oracle platform. Okay. But if you're working in your project, they will be using licensed version of Oracle. Okay. So generally, if you see the color in pink color or blue color, it indicates those are the reserved keyword. But you don't have to do anything with that. That is just for the convenience of user to understand that this is reserved. But down the line, automatically you will understand which is reserved, which is user defined keyword. But on this platform, this is an open source, so this color coding doesn't make any sense. This doesn't have any significance. You can ignore it. Okay.
okay?
Okay, fine. Okay. Then yesterday I have shared one more assignment question. This is the one. Okay, this is very important. So I want to discuss this now. I'm not sure how many of you get a chance to work on this assignment questions. Okay. So, okay, I will start with the question number one. Where is the table script? Okay, this is the table script. Why are there two tables? It is not shared correctly. It
Two
is
scripts.
duplicate, no? Okay, by mistake, I think Firdaus has copy pasted
Yeah.
this. Duplicate. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Okay, one thing I repeat, we try our level best to share all these assignments, recordings, classroom notes as soon as possible, but please expect that it will be shared within 12 on a daily basis. Okay. Okay, so this is the data. Now listen very carefully. So all these things what I have taught, you will not get question from those concept that is only for in understanding. Now this is very important what I'm going to teach now. Okay, listen very carefully all this stuff and feel free to ask question. Okay, so here I'm trying to create a table student. It is in front of you and I'm trying to insert value. See all this create and insert all I'm running in one go. Please check it. See, I've selected everything correct. I'm clicking on the run button. I've clicked on it. Table created, rows inserted. I want to verify the data. Can you tell me the script how to verify the data?
Describe student.
No. Describe is to verify the structure.
To
I'm
verify
talking
the
about data.
Select a
Okay,
star from
select
Star from student.
star
Good,
from
good.
student.
Select a star from a student, right?
student.
Okay. Select a star from a student. I'm running it.
Yes.
Data is inserted. Data is inserted.
Yes.
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, good. What is the next question? A student. Okay, let me copy all these questions here. I know most of you know the answer for this. Quickly, I will show you the solution for all these questions. Okay. What is the first question? Write a SQL query to fetch the below details. Okay, a student who has scored 90. It means my manager is, again some background noise is there. Okay, thank you. A student who has scored 90. So I have shown this data to my manager. My manager is telling that Tanveer, I am not interested in all this result. Just show me the records which is having 90. And especially this is the responsibility of data analyst. This is expected from you when you will be mapped to a project. So it is like your stakeholders. They will be asking you this question that, okay, fetch me, write a query to fetch me this data. I want the quarterly data. I want the quarter over quarter increase in profit. Please show me the data of the location where we have made the maximum profit, where the profit is least, where the average salary is less than the average salary, the salary is greater than the average salary. So this kind of questions as a data analyst you will be getting. So that is why data analyst job profile is SQL centric. 70% weightage is on SQL for data analyst job profile. Okay. So student who has scored 90 marks. My manager is telling that Tanvir, you are showing all these marks. I am not interested. Show me only those student details who has scored 90 marks. Is the question clear first of all?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. So first of all, what I will do, select star from a student. Okay. Do you want to apply filter here? Do you want to apply filter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you tell me a real life example of filter in your daily life where you're applying filter in your daily life? Who will answer this? Sorry,
Photos.
photos. Okay. Oh no, that's a different filter. That's a different filter.
Yes.
Apart
In
from that,
Excel.
any other filter? Can you tell me?
In
We are
Excel
using filter in
sheet.
Excel.
Excel sheet again. That is something technical person will apply. No, something where which everyone is applying, non-technical as well. Someone like who is a layman,
On
they
the
also apply for.
online site, like
Very good.
Flipkart or where we can
Very
apply
good.
the filters for the, suppose for
Very good.
women or kids, we can search.
Perfect. Perfect. Suppose I want to buy AC. Okay, winter season. Suppose no, sorry, I want to buy AC. Summer season we want to buy AC. Okay. So what I will do? I will go on Flipkart. First of all, I will, or what you will do? You will go on Flipkart. You will write in the search box AC. So you will get a lot of options. From that, it will become very difficult to find out what exactly you want, right? Then what you will do? You will apply filter first of all. Okay, I want 1.5 ton AC, right? Then you will apply filter on 1.5 ton. I think you all have done this, correct?
Yes.
On the
Yeah.
left side, there is an option of for filter, no? Then that will narrow down your search. You will get all the AC which is of 1.5 ton only. I think most of you have done this, you know this, right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. And then after that, again, suppose you got 100 ACs, 1.5 ton. Then what you will do? You will apply filter on brand. Okay, I want Blue Star or any ABC brand. You will apply filter on brand. Again, it will narrow down. Correct? We used to search like this, or you're searching for a mobile. You will see, okay, I want 4 GB RAM. They will apply filter on 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM or maybe whatever GB RAM you want. Then the brand you will apply filter, then the memory and all those things. Correct? Like this, we used to do shopping. Correct? Now, that is a good
Yes.
example for filter. Similarly, SQL will also give you a flexibility to apply filter and all those things there. It is working at the backend. Your SQL query is running. Okay, at the backend SQL query is running. I will show you all those things. Okay. So where is a filter in SQL world? Okay, where? So what marks you are interested in? 90. So I will write marks equals 90. Is this correct query, guys? Is this correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm running it. Check the output. Are you getting only 90?
Yes.
Okay. In the output, I got only those students who have scored 90 marks. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I'm talking from engine order of execution, engine perspective, which keyword will be executed first?
From.
From. First of all, from, good. First of all, engine will search for the table. So it will search the student table from the database. It will make a copy of it. After from which keyword?
Where?
Where?
Where marks is, oh, let me show this. Let me show this. 1 minute, guys. So this is the data. This is your student table. 1 minute. Where is Excel sheet? Excel sheet today's. Oh, it is not there. Okay, so this is your sorry, this is your student table. Okay, listen very carefully. Okay, how the engine is executing and all those things, because this will help you to write complex queries. That is why I am teaching these things. Okay, so this is the query where marks is equal to 90. Let's try to understand how engine is processing this, and those who are not speaking, please go on mute. Okay, so first of all, which keyword will be executed?
Select from.
Select. No, not select.
From.
From. Engine
From.
will execute from first, right? No. So this will be executed. Okay, let me mark in red color. So engine will make a copy of this. Correct? No. Okay, it will keep it here. This is clear. From part is done. I have kept this in red color. This is done. After from which keyword?
Where?
Where. Good. After from where. Where is known as filter in SQL world. If someone asks you that, okay, tell me a keyword which acts as a filter. So what will be your answer?
Where?
Where keyword. So next is where marks is equal to 90. When the engine will see that, okay, this marks is equal to 90, it will concentrate on the marks column. Only marks column it will concentrate, okay? And then you have mentioned marks is equal to 90. Is this marks 90?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Engine will highlight this record. This is marks 90. And always your engine will go record by record, row by row. Second row, is this marks 90?
No.
No.
No, next row. Is this marks 90?
No.
This, oh, a lot of background noise. Okay, then this is also not 90. This is 90, right? It will mark this as well. Then this is again 90. It will mark this as well. So far, is it clear? Any question?
Yes. No.
No. So where is also done. After where, which keyword?
Select.
Select. After where, select keyword will be executed. Okay. Okay. In select, what you have mentioned?
Select.
In
Star.
select, what you have mentioned? A star. What is the meaning of a star?
All.
All the columns. All the columns. I want all the columns. Let me copy all the columns. Okay. Okay. Now, which record has cleared the filtered round? This record?
Yes.
Correct? Okay. Then this record?
Yes.
Okay. And then this record. Fine. Now, please check this output with your engine output. And executed this. Now you guys can go on mute. Okay, now check this with this output. Are they both same output or not? Please verify and tell me, guys.
Yes.
You understood how engine is working internally?
Right.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
Good. What is the next question? Details of a student who has appeared in physics. Okay. For this, what I have to do?
Select star from students where subject
Select
is equal to physics.
a star from students. Student where
Subject equal to
subject
physics.
equals.
Quite physics.
Is this correct query?
Yes.
Okay, but I have a concern here. Tell me one thing. In this query 58 line number, everything I have written in which case, uppercase or lowercase?
Lower.
Okay, here I have written everything in uppercase. So don't you think this will be a problem?
Case
No.
does not. No.
Data is case
So-
sensitive, but
so correct. So table names, column names, reserved keyword, it is your wish. You have all the freedom. You can write in lowercase, uppercase, camel case, mixed case, proper case, whatever you want, your wish. Okay, clear? Okay, now I'm running this. Please check the output. Is this correct output? You understood this?
Correct. Yes, correct.
Okay. Fine. Shall I proceed further? So you understood how to apply filter and all the system,
Yes.
correct? Okay. Now I have a question here, guys, and I want you guys to think very carefully and then answer. Okay. Don't be in a hurry. Think carefully and then answer. Okay. By mistake, what happened? By mistake, what happened? I have written this query. Okay. Now if I will run Samrun, I will execute this query.
No
Okay.
record
It
found.
is telling that no data found. Why? I have written same query. No, everything is same. Then why
Capital
it is
letter.
telling me
Data. Case sensitive. Capital
Data
letter. you
is
must-
case sensitive.
Good, good. Because see here, this physics is a data, right? And I have written this all in uppercase. So that is why this is a problem. If you'll check in the student table, let me show you. In this student table, do you have subject physics in uppercase? Can you
No.
please tell me? You don't have, no?
No.
So that is when you are searching for data. See, this is data. This physics, chemistry is a data. This AB is a data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. This is data. This marks 90, 95, 68. This is the data. So data is case sensitive. If you're writing in uppercase, engine will search for uppercase physics. Do you have uppercase physics here?
No.
That is why when I'm executing this query, this is throwing error message. It's not, this is telling no data found. I don't have any data. Clear?
Yes.
So SQL is case sensitive with data. Hope it is clear, guys, right? We have discussed this yesterday as well, I think, right? Okay. Now, I want to explain one more concept. So, okay, so far any question, anyone?
No.
Clear to everyone, right?
Yeah, all good.
All good. Okay, perfect. Now, tell me one thing. I have executed this query line number 58. What I'm showing here?
Semicolon.
Not semicolon here. I am showing the student who has scored 90 marks, correct?
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
No, you all agree, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Line number 59. What I'm displaying here?
Physics subject.
A student who has appeared for physics subject, correct? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. But now my manager is telling, listen very carefully. This is a little bit confusing concept. Now my manager is telling that Tanvir, okay, fine. You have executed this query and you have shown the students who has scored 90 marks. Okay, let me show this here. 1 minute. So this is confusing a little bit. Excel sheet. Okay, I have shown this. Then I have executed this query and I have shown the students who has appeared in physics subject. Let me run this query. So far clear to everyone, right? Okay.
Yes.
But now my manager is telling that Tanvir, this is fine, this is clear to me, but now my requirement is, listen very carefully, okay, and don't be in a hurry. My manager is telling that I want those student list who has scored 90 but in physics subject. First of all, is the question clear?
Yes.
Okay, my manager is telling I want those student who has scored 90 but in which subject?
Physics.
Physics subject. Okay, so if I will show this output, do you think this is the correct output?
No.
No, this is not correct. Why?
Chemistry also there.
Chemistry.
Because this I am showing the information of chemistry. My manager will tell no that why you are showing chemistry marks, Tanvir. I'm not interested in this. I'm interested in only those students who have scored 90 in physics. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. If I will display this information, do you think is this correct? I am showing all physics only, no? So is this correct?
Correct.
No, this is not
No.
correct.
This is not right.
You are showing all
90
physics,
marks,
but
no.
why this is 80? No, 80 in physics. My manager told he wants those students who have scored 90 in physics. I think question is not clear.
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 Clear to everyone? Got it?
Clear.
Okay. So here you have, now listen very carefully, guys. Okay, I want full concentration here and go on mute, everyone. Okay. Now there are two conditions. You have to fulfill two conditions. What is the first condition? Subject?
Physics.
Physics. What is the second condition?
Marks 90 only.
90.
Mind 90. I will stop here. I will take a pause here. Is this question clear first of all?
Yes.
The requirement is clear, no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I thought, okay, there are two conditions, so there are two levels. Okay, like when you're applying for any company, okay, they will take certain rounds, 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 5 rounds, right? So those who will clear the first round, they will go for second round, no? This happens in a particular recruitment process, correct? Okay. So what I will do for this, what I have done, I will write this query. Just ignore the query whatever I have written. Don't look at the query. Just check the output. Is this correct output what my manager was looking?
Correct.
First tell me yes or no.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, this is correct, right? Okay.
Yes.
1 minute, hold on. I know you will be having a lot of question, but please hold on for a minute. I will answer all those things. Now I have written this query and we got this output and you guys told me that Tanvir, yes, this is the correct output, right? Okay. This is the output. Now, this is a query, this is the, ignore the query, whatever I have written. You told that, yes, Tanvir, this is the correct output, right? Okay. Now let's see how this query is working. Very important. Please listen very carefully. Generally, I have observed that the participants while attending the class, they're doing their other activities as well, maybe official tasks and all those things. I will suggest you don't do any other activity. You will lose concentration and you will miss this. So please concentrate here. Here, again, let's start with the order of execution. Which keyword will be executed first?
From.
From.
From. Okay, from will be
From.
executed first. From keyword. Okay, listen very carefully. From keyword will be executed first. What engine does in the from keyword?
To load the total.
Student table.
Translate.
It will search for this student table in database. It will make a copy of it, right? Okay. It
Yeah.
has made a copy of it here. This is clear. Okay.
Yes.
From is done. After from, which keyword?
Where?
Where?
Where keyword. Okay, very good. Okay, where, what is the task? What is the functionality of where?
Marks equal to
Marks equal to 9.
Filter.
Filter.
Functionality, yes. Where is like a filter, no? Correct?
Filter.
Where is
Yes,
a filter?
filter.
The moment engine will see that user has mentioned where here as a filter, the engine will understand that user wants to apply some filter, correct? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
What filter you applied? In which column you have applied?
marks.
Marks and
Mark, subject,
So engine,
subject.
oh, first of all, it has applied on marks, no?
Marks.
Subject will come
Marks.
after this, right? So first
Marks.
of all, it has applied on marks, okay. So I will highlight this marks column. What marks you want?
90.
90.
90.
90. Is this 90?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 1 minute, let me change this color here. Is this marks 90?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, the background noise is there. 1 minute. I'll mute all. Thank you. Okay, this marks is 90. Okay, is this 90? No. You see, always engine will go record by record throughout my SQL course. This will be same. Engine goes record by record. Is this 90? No. Is this 90? No. Is this 90? No. Is this 90? Yes, engine will stop here. Is this 90? No. Is this 90? Yes, engine will stop here. Is this 90? No. So finally, how many records has cleared the round one?
3.
This record has cleared the round one. This record has cleared the round one. This record has cleared the round one. So after round one, how many candidates you have?
3.
3 candidates. Now tell me one thing. Think of a particular recruitment process. I think you all have been through the recruitment process, right?
Yes.
Now tell me, for the second round, do you think these candidates are eligible?
No.
No.
No, because they have not cleared the first round. So now only these 3 candidates will go for the second round, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come back to this query. After marks is equal to 90, you have written and, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct now. So the meaning of this and is, listen very carefully. The meaning of this and operator is engine understand that the second condition after this, whatever it may be, it has to apply only on those records which has cleared the first round. So only this record has cleared the first round, right?
Yes.
Correct. So now what is the second condition? Subject is equal to mathematics. This is the second condition. So this second condition we will apply. Subject is equal to physics as a filter on which record? This record or on this parent table record? Which one?
In the filter record.
The
Time
filter
record.
record.
Filtered record, because these records are the filtered records. This records has cleared the first condition, marks is equal to 90. So because this is an AND operator, so the next condition will be applied only on those records which has cleared the first condition. This record has cleared the first condition. So the next condition, subject is equal to physics, will be applicable only on this filtered records. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The subject is equal to physics. Is this subject physics?
Yes.
Okay, so this record is selected, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have selected.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this subject physics?
Yes.
Is this record selected?
Yes.
Okay. Is this physics?
No.
Physics? No. So this is not selected, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So this where condition is also over. After where, which keyword?
And select.
And we have done, no? And we have
Yes.
done both the conditions we applied. Now select keyword. And select what we have mentioned, a star. What is the meaning of a star?
All
You want
column.
all the columns. Okay, let me copy first of all the columns. All the columns I have copied. Now this record has fulfilled both the condition. They cleared both the rounds. So this is your final output. If you want, please verify along with this output.
Tanvir, I have
Please
a
verify.
question
Are they
here.
both? One minute, one. Are they both the same output, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So what
Yes.
we understood from this, in where clause, if the user has mentioned and condition, then engine will first of all apply this condition on the parent table, marks is equal to 90, and then the next condition will be applied on the filtered data. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I have one question here. Suppose same query, this one. If I will write like this, I will change the sequence. I will keep subject is equal to physics first. Okay. And then marks 90. Do you think we'll get the same output or different output?
Same output.
Think and tell me, guys, same output or different output?
It will
Same
show the
output.
output, but first subject, second marks.
No, output will be same or not? That is my question.
Same.
Same output.
Same.
We'll
Same
get
output. Please verify. You are getting the same output. Okay, but in this case, what will happen? First of all, engine will apply filter on subject physics. Like if you're executing this query, you're executing this query, where is that? Executing this query. First of all, it will apply filter on subject physics. So from this table, it will filter out physics only. And then on that, it will apply marks is equal to 90. So they both are same. Okay. Is this
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Now, if you have any question, you can ask.
Tanvir, so the order, like, actually matter, like SQL engine, does it take like left to right when we are using like multiple statements in the where clause, or basically it doesn't matter?
Left to right. No, that is what I told you now. You change the sequence, even then you will get the same output, right? So order of sequence doesn't matter here.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, but basically it goes like left to right, is it? Because we would not be able to verify this or like understand how it happens. That's why I just wanted to check.
Left to right, but generally means for freshers we don't recommend But those who know all these concepts, if you're working with the where clause and you have and condition, first of all, okay, I have not mentioned the performance part. Let me complete the performance part, then I will come to your question again. Okay. Good
Okay.
question. So is this clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I proceed further if this is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, sir. It means that
Yeah.
in where conditions, whatever sequence we have given for the filtration, accordingly it will filter out the data, right?
Right. Yes. Like I told you, know, you want to buy AC. First of all, you will get filter on 1.5 ton AC I want, right? It will narrow down the search. Then you will apply filter that I want Blue Star or any other AC. Then again, that will be narrowed down, correct?
Yes.
Same thing I'm happening here. So that is which operator you are using on that Flipkart and operator,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
Yes.
same thing.
Here in this query, first it will sort out the subject, and after that it will sort out the marks.
In this one, first of all, it will filter the physics records, then the marks 90.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now,
So,
suppose, yeah, tell me.
so Tanvir, I have one question. You have executed the same query by the two things, means by filtering the two different scenarios. So, is the query, in which case the query is optimized, means the engine
I
will
will
take
come to
less
that.
time. Okay.
I will come to that. I will come to that. That is what optimization. I am coming to that. Okay. Okay. Fine. Hope it is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have shown this solution to my manager that, sir, yes, this is what you are looking for. And he told that, yes, Tanvir, this is what I was looking for. Very good. We are showing only those students who have scored 90 in physics. This is clear. Okay. But now my manager, now listen very carefully. This is going to confuse you. Okay. So far clear. Now you understood everything, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now my manager is telling that, Tanvir, I want those students list who has appeared in physics subject or has scored marks 90. Okay, I will repeat my question. Don't think of a SQL query. I'm not asking SQL query from you. I'm just asking you, first of all, to understand the question. Then you will think of that query. Okay, first of all, try to understand the question. In IT project, suppose if you are given 10 hours to complete the project, then you have to spend 2 hours understanding the requirement or 3 hours. Understanding requirement is very important. Throughout my career, I have seen whenever there is an issue in the product, that is because you have not understood the requirement clearly. The client says something and you are doing something. Okay. So first of all, understand the requirement. That is very important. Okay. And that is why it is recommended that everyone should attend the requirement gathering call. Most of the projects I have seen, the lead team lead, the project lead, they will not invite the junior in the requirement gathering call. Only lead will be there. But this is not suggested. In a good project, you will see everyone will be there in the requirement gathering call. Maybe you are not participating, but at least you should listen what discussion is on. It's very important. Okay. Don't be like a robot in your project. That will not add value to your resume or your IT career. Try to understand each and everything. What is happening, from where the product will start, from where it will end, why the management, why the stakeholders need this data, why they want this product. Okay. So here my management or my manager is telling, I want those records, those student list who has appeared in physics subject or has scored 90 marks. Now, hold on. Do you think this is the record which we should display in the output? First record, is this satisfying the condition?
Yes.
Okay. What about second record?
No.
Has it fulfilled any of the condition?
No.
Okay. What are the conditions? 1 minute. Conditions. First condition is subject equals physics, right? Okay, sorry. Second condition is marks equal 90. It means any one of this. Okay, or if both is satisfied, that is also fine. Clear, no?
Actually, condition is students who got
The students,
90 in physics. Students also.
No. It is not like I'm telling here. I want those students who has either appeared in physics or scored 90 marks, or if both are there, then it's well and good. First of all, let me complete. Okay, let me complete this record. He has appeared in physics, but he has not scored 90. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct. No?
Yes. Yes.
But even then, we have to show this. You know why? Because this has fulfilled one condition. Subject is equal to physics. That's the question. That records which is satisfying at least any of this condition. We want to show those records. In the previous question, this one, the condition was both the condition must be fulfilled. Clear? But here we are giving a freedom here, flexibility here, that if any one condition is fulfilled, pick those records. Not clear?
Clear. At least one of the conditions should be fulfilled.
At least one of the conditions should be satisfied.
Yeah.
Not clear, guys?
Clear.
All good, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What about this record?
No.
Not.
No.
None of the condition is satisfied. We will not select him. Okay. This record,
Yes.
Yes.
both are satisfied. Well and good. If both are satisfied, very good. Okay. Then next condition.
Yes.
Yes.
One condition is satisfied. Select him. Next condition.
Yes.
But here subject is chemistry. No, you told subject physics you want. Will you select it?
But marks is
Marks
90.
90.
Good. Because marks is 90, at least one condition is getting satisfied. We will select him. Clear? Okay. What about this?
No.
No.
No, why?
Because
None of
marks.
the conditions are satisfied.
None of the conditions are satisfied, so we will not select him. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me a real life example from your daily life where you implement this kind of condition. Tell me. See, you went to open a bank account, okay, in some bank ABC, okay. They will ask you certain documents from you, no? First of all, okay. What they will ask you, that do you have Aadhaar card? Correct? Do you have PAN card? Or do you have voter ID? Do you have passport? And all those things, okay. Sometime they will ask you that, okay, do you have any of these documents? Correct, no? Either you should have Aadhaar card, you should have PAN card, you should have voter ID or passport, especially when you're applying for that credit card and other. They will ask, no, that either of these things should be there.
Yeah.
Suppose a particular person has only Aadhaar card. Okay, he's a layman. So, okay, he only have Aadhaar card. So do you think he will satisfy the condition?
Yes.
Yes, because the organization has given the flexibility that any of these documents you should have. Correct? Clear? Okay. Another person, he has Aadhaar as well as PAN. So do you think he will satisfy the condition?
Yes.
Yes, because here the condition was at least you should have one of these documents. Correct? Okay. One person has 3 documents. Do you think this will satisfy this condition?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is also fine. Okay. Next use case. I am studying in 10th standard now. Okay, I am studying in 10th standard. I am planning to go to opt for 10+2 science stream. Okay, I want to take admission in some college. They told that we will give admission to only those students who has scored either greater than equal to 90 in physics and greater than equal to 90 in okay, but in 10th you don't have physics, chemistry separate, no? Sorry. 1 minute, this is wrong use case. Okay. In maths, you should have a score greater than 90. In science, if those who have a score greater than 90, this happens, no? Remember, like when we were in 10th standard, you're moving to 10+2 in some school or college, they will give this condition. Now, those who
Yes.
have scored greater than this physics or overall greater than this, we will admit those students only. So in a particular school, ABC, okay, ABC Private Limited, some school is there. In that, they told that you should score greater than 90 in maths, greater than 90 in science, then only we will admit him. Okay. And suppose Tanveer, he has scored in maths, he has scored 89, and in science, he has scored 95. Do you think he will get admission here?
Yes.
Do you think he will get admission?
Yes.
No, he will not
No,
get.
you won't.
They have given both the condition must be
Oh, both
satisfied.
the condition.
Maths greater than 90, science greater than 90. They are asking you that both the condition you have to satisfy. One condition I have satisfied, but the maths condition have I satisfied? I have not satisfied it. So I will not get admission, right?
Yes.
Correct? No,
Yeah.
will not be admitted, right? Correct? Okay. There is a second school. In that school, they are telling that either you score greater than 90 in maths or you have a score greater than 90 in physics. We will give you admission. So now tell me, I have scored this marks. Will I get the admission here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because they have given the flexibility, any of this condition they are checking. I will get the admission, no? Correct?
Yes.
Clear? Okay,
Yes.
now there is a student Ankit. Okay. Ankit in maths, he has scored 96, and science he has scored 95. So tell me, he will get admission to the second school.
Yes.
Yes.
But here they told any of this condition should be satisfied, but he has satisfied both the condition. Do you think he will get admission?
He
Yeah.
will get.
Yes,
Yes.
that is well and good if both the conditions are satisfied. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So in daily life, this is the scenario. So when they are telling you both the conditions should be satisfied, you have to use AND operator. Okay. For this condition, then which operator you have to use? When they are asking any of the condition, you have to write
Or
OR operator. Good. I think you know SQL already. Good. So you have to use OR operator. Let's verify the output first of all, then I will tell you what is OR operator. Verify the output. Is this the correct output what you're looking for?
yes.
Yes.
Clear, guys?
Yes.
Clear? Okay, now let's see how engine process this. I know this is basic, but these are very important concepts. Down the line, when the complexity will increase, you will realize the importance of all these things. Okay, that is why I'm taking time to explain you all these concepts. Okay, which is our parent table? This is the parent table. Let me keep it here. Okay. So you all agree this is the correct data what my principal was looking for?
Yes.
Yes.
A student A,
Yes.
a student A has satisfied both the condition. That is fine, no issue. Why you selected a student B in the output? Tell me.
Satisfying the subject condition.
Subject is physics.
One condition he has satisfied, subject physics, but marks is not greater than 90. No, then why you have selected this?
One condition fulfilled.
One condition is fulfilled. Good. Why you have selected this student C? What is the reason?
Both condition is fulfilled.
Both the
Both
conditions
conditions
are-
satisfied. That is well and good. Not an issue. Okay. This one, why you selected this?
Physics. One condition
At
fulfilled.
least one condition is satisfied. Got it? Okay. But here the subject is chemistry. Your principal told you to consider physics subject. Then why you have considered this?
Marks 90. Either or either.
One condition is satisfied. Got it clear to everyone? Crystal
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's try to understand how engine processes. This is very important, and from this I will tell you that how it impacts the performance, and then I will teach you on this that why it is suggested in your SQL queries to use more and more AND condition, AND condition. This is what I taught you here, right? Why it is good from performance perspective. Why this OR is not good from performance perspective. Listen very carefully. Okay. This is a good question from interview perspective, and this we will discuss down the line in most of the keywords, especially joins will full of this. Listen very carefully. Okay, so fine. Okay, so here which keyword will be executed first?
From.
From keyword. Okay, so from keyword, what is the functionality of from keyword? Engine will make a copy of the table. It will keep it in a temporary memory. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. From keyword is done. After from keyword, which keyword?
Where?
Where keyword? Okay. Where you have written subject is equal to physics. Okay. Which column you have to concentrate now?
Subject.
Subject column. Okay. What you want in subject column?
Physics.
Physics. Is this physics? Yes. Select it. Is this physics? No. Leave it. Is this physics? Yes.
Yes.
Select it. Is this physics? No. Is this physics? Yes. Select it. Is this physics? Yes. Select it. Then this is chemistry, we will not select it. This is chemistry, we will not select it. So far clear?
Yes.
So far clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now listen
Yes.
after this. Okay, good. Now listen after this. What is the next condition after subject is equal to physics? Or. We have written or operator, right? Okay. Or operator. After this, we have mentioned marks is equal to 90. Now this marks 90, you will check on the filtered data or on the original table.
Filtered it.
Original.
Original table.
I mean to say or original table.
Original table here only, right? So now
Yes.
here again you will check this marks 90. Okay. So is this marks 90? Yes. So this is already selected. So leave it. Is this marks 90?
No.
No. Is this marks 90? This is already selected. Leave it. Is this marks 90?
No.
No. Is this marks 90?
Yes.
No.
Yes. So this
Yes.
no. This is
Yes,
marks
sorry.
90, no? Right. So this is already selected. Okay. Is this marks 90?
No.
No. Is this marks 90?
Yes.
Yes. So we will select it. Now tell me one thing, guys. Now listen very carefully. If I would have, what is the color I've chosen here? 1 minute. If this condition I have selected on the filtered data, tell me whether I will get this record.
No.
I will have not got this record. That is why the OR condition is always applied again on the parent table, not on the filtered data. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Is it marks 90? No. So this will not be selected. Clear?
No.
So far clear, everyone?
Yes, Tanvir.
Yes.
Okay. Now hold on. Now I am asking one question. Listen very carefully and then tell your answer. Okay? Don't be in a hurry. Shall I ask now?
Yes.
Okay. Listen very carefully. Take your time. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. Then answer. Don't be in a hurry. I have shown you how engine process and operator. I have shown you how engine process or operator. Both the operators I have shown you, right? Okay. Now some background noise is there. I'm not sure from where it is. Okay, thank you. Now 1 minute, 1 minute. Admin is telling someone has joined through some dummy name. Okay, fine. Online work. Someone has joined through online work. Guys, humble request from tomorrow. Please join using the registered name through which you have registered in our course. Else the admin will remove you, and the system has been what I can say that configured in such a way that if we will remove someone, so same day, even if you will try to add you, we will not be able to add you. It will block you for 24 hours. So from tomorrow onwards, please log in using your registered name only. Okay. Otherwise, you're fine. Thank you. Thank you for your support and cooperation. Now, my question is, you have seen AND operator, how engine process. You have seen OR operator, how engine process. First of all, is this two operator clear?
Yes.
Okay, internal working, it is clear. Now tell me one thing. in which operator and or which operator do you think engine has to perform more task?
Or
Non-operator.
Tell me your thoughts.
or
And
In or operator.
or
Or
Okay.
Could you please-
Okay, let's check from here. Let's come back to AND operator. Here we discuss AND operator. First of all, engine has analyzed all these records in first go.
yes,
Because marks is equal to 90, engine has scanned all these records and then it filtered marks 90, it has put it here, correct? Okay.
yes,
So how many records it has analyzed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in round 1, it has scanned 8 records. Am I correct?
yes,
Okay. In round 2, it has scanned how many records? Now, second condition was subject physics. It has applied this
Three
subject
records.
physics on the filter data or on the parent data?
Filter.
Filter data.
filter data.
filter,
Data. So now how many records it has scanned?
3.
2.
3.
3 records, no?
I mean
Yeah.
It has
physics,
scanned 3 records. It has scanned. It has checked subject physics for this, for this, for this. Then finally it has
Yes.
selected these 2 records, right?
yes,
Yeah.
So total how many records it has scanned? 8 plus 3, 11 records.
11 records.
Clear?
yeah,
Okay. Now in this case, subject is equal to physics. Round 1. How many records it has scanned?
8
1,
records.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Eight.
7, 8, right?
8.
Okay.
Yes.
In round 2, how many records it has scanned?
Again 8.
In
Eight,
OR
seven, eight.
condition, again it will start with the parent table, right? Again 8 records. Now how many records it has to scan? 16 records.
16
In
records.
AND condition, how many records it has scanned? 11 records. So where it is doing more tasks?
Or
or
OR condition. Now, if you have to perform more tasks, generally forget about SQL. The day you got more tasks in your project, your performance will be less. You will feel more tired, right? So by end of the day, performance will be less. So this is the generic formula. If the task is more, performance will be less. Is this clear?
Yes.
So if anyone is asking you question from performance perspective, first of all, think about task. Which query, which condition, which keyword is giving more task to SQL engine? If task is more on the SQL end, it means performance will be what? Less or more?
Less.
Less. So number of tasks and performance, is it directly proportional or inversely proportional?
Inverse.
inversely.
Inversely proportional. If number of tasks is more, performance will be less. If number of tasks is less, performance will be more. So from performance perspective, which keyword you should use? And or which
And.
one?
and
And.
And
Okay. But before that, you have to check what is your business use case. If your business use case is to use and, then you cannot do anything. You have to use and operator because business use case is the top priority. Hope it is clear so far.
yes,
Yes.
So now you understood no why it is suggested to use more and more and condition in your queries because that is good from performance perspective. I will tell you one scenario. Those who are working in project, you do one thing. Okay, but joins I have not talked now. Okay, you do one thing. If you have any table which has 15 or 20 million records, do one thing. In that record, right select a star from that table. In where condition, give one column and give some condition. Okay, and then prepare another query. Then again write the same query and now give and condition on 10 other columns. You will see the change, you will see the difference in performance. That will fetch you the result very quickly. Okay, you can try it or those who are working on reporting side, okay, you give multiple filter condition on the reports, it will quickly give you the data. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, one more, sorry, I forgot one more use case. Can you tell me one more use case where you apply filter condition? You all have used that in your daily life.
Sorry, could you please repeat the question?
The question is, can you tell me a scenario where you apply this filter condition in your daily life? Okay, I want to book a flight from Delhi to Bangalore. Okay, and suppose I am trying to book on which application you want to book. Which application? Suppose Paytm. Through Paytm, I am booking a ticket. Okay. So in source, what I will fill, guys? Delhi. Okay. In
Yes.
destination, Bangalore.
Bangalore.
So is this an AND operator or operator?
And
AND operator.
And
Operator, right? And then I will select a date. What is this? AND operator or operator?
and
And
AND operator. Suppose I have selected source as Delhi destination, source as Delhi destination as Bangalore, and I have not given any date. You will see it will show you all the flights and all the days, right? Have you observed that?
yes.
So what is that? AND operator or operator?
Or
or
Operator. Clear? Is this clear now?
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, now tell me in which scenario that Paytm engine has to do more tasks, when you are giving
Or
the filter condition date or when you're not giving that.
when you are
when
not
not-
giving the date.
When you're not giving the date, filter as Paytm engine has to do more tasks because it is now fetching you all the flight details, the price for all the dates, right? November, December, everything. If you have not tried that, please go, you can give it a try now or after the class. But I think most of you have tried it. Hope it is clear, guys, so far.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear? Okay, I think it is clear. Okay, name and the third question is name and subject for all students. So here my manager is telling I want only name and subject. So what to do for this? But for all the students.
Select
Name,
name, student
select
from.
name and
Select-
subject.
select star.
No, not a star. You see,
Sorry,
if I will
select
write
Select
name
name and
subject
subject.
from student.
Name and subject from.
you see, if I will write a star. No, I will write a star. 1 minute, give me time. I will write a star. I have written a star. My manager will tell me, no, that Tanvir, I told I want name and subject only. Why you are showing marks? Why you are showing a student ID? Right? Correct?
Yes.
Now tell me from your daily life where you face this scenario where you want to display only particular columns of a table. Tell me. Tell me, guys. Do you know this scenario? Okay. You are doing shopping on which application? Flipkart, Amazon, or many other application as there, right? So you are doing payment using your credit card, correct? You are entering all your card details, your CVV number, and many other things, expiry date. You all have done that, right? Do you want this data to be exposed to the to the Flipkart management? Do you want that?
No.
No, no one wants this, right? So for
Security
that,
reason.
what? For the security reason, you don't want to display it. Okay, then you have your account in your any bank, like which bank shall I tell? Okay, like HDFC Bank or Axis Bank, right? Do you want that all the employees of that Axis Bank, they should access your account number, your mobile number, your Aadhaar card number, your SSN number, your bank balance? Do you want that everyone should have access to that?
No.
No. Correct? So for that, what they will do, they will give certain access to certain employees. So in those use cases, it is required not to display all the other columns. So that is what we are showing here. If you want to display only name and subject, write name and subject, name, comma, subject. So now your marks will not be displayed. And this is known as data masking activity. especially those who are working in HR database, internal project of a company, the data will be masked, because if you're working in HR database, in each and every company, they don't want to showcase their data, right, to all the employees. Suppose you don't want your salary to be exposed, that everyone should know how much you're earning, right? So that is why they will keep the data masked. Hope it is clear.
Yes.
So if you want a particular column, you have to write those columns only. Very important. Shall I move to the next question? Some background noise is there.
Yes.
Struggling with this background noise here, which is disturbing your class. Oh, let me mute all. Okay, thank you. Okay, next question is, who has scored marks greater than equal to 80? What should I do for this question? Greater than equal to 80?
Select star from students where marks greater than 90 equal to 90.
Where marks is greater than equal to 80, no?
Nine-
First question is 80.
Yes, 80 greater than equal
This
to
is
80.
Greater than equal to 80. Okay, please verify the output. This is 90, you're greater than equal to 80. You're getting 80 as well because this is equal to 80. Correct?
Yes.
Hope it is clear.
Yes.
Okay. Next question is less than equal to 90. Which operator I have to use?
Less than equal to symbol.
Less than or equal to 90.
90.
No? 90. Okay. Okay. Verify the output. Please check all of this data is less than equal to 90.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now suppose my manager is telling that no, Tanvir, I want all those who have scored marks greater than equal to 80 but less than equal to 90. So for that, what to do? You got the
Greater than-
question? Greater than equal
Combination
to
and
80 and
less than equal to 90.
marks less than equal to 90. So see which operator I have used here, and operator. Verify the output. All these marks are greater than equal to 80 but less than 90. Clear?
Yes.
Any question?
No.
Any question, anyone? No questions? Okay.
No.
If you don't have a question, tell me one thing. If you have understood this, tell me one thing. Just tell me one thing. Don't look at this query that what Tanvir has written in between blah blah blah. Ignore that. Just tell me one thing. I am running this query. Is this the same output as what you have got from this greater than equal to 80 and less than equal to 90?
Yes,
Is this the same
yes.
output?
Yes.
Okay. Now you guys think and tell me what is the functionality of this between operator.
It is giving us the data of students having marks between 80 and 90,
80 and 90.
Good. So
including
this is a
80 and 90.
ready-made keyword between 80 and 90. The moment you will write between 80 and 90, automatically your SQL engine will understand that user wants the marks greater than equal to 80 and less than equal to 90. So both are same query. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell
Yes.
me line number 68, line number 69. They both are giving the same output. You all agree, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me which one is better from performance, 68 or 69?
69.
69.
Why 69? You are correct, but why 69?
Because in 68 there might be chances we might not
will
write
match,
greater than
he
symbol
will
or equal to. So
In row number
First, he will
69,
search for greater than equal to 80, greater than equal to 80, and after it will search for less than equal to 90.
So basically,
Okay. Any other?
2-time filter is happening.
2 times. Yeah.
First one.
in the row
One-
number 68, two conditions needs to check, and when we use the between keyword, in that the range is given. And so that at once SQL engine needs to search for that data. That's why.
Okay, good, good. What? Tell me one thing before this. Tell me one thing. Okay. In your project, there is one employee whose name is what is the name? Rajesh. Okay. Rajesh is working in this project for the last 5 years. Okay. And then there is a employee Suresh. He has joined recently. Okay. Yesterday he has joined. Rajesh knows everything what he has to do. Suresh has joined today. Each and everything we will tell him. Then he will work. Who will do the task more quickly, Rajesh or Suresh?
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Why? Because Rajesh knows what he has to do, correct? But for Suresh,
Yeah.
you have to guide him each and everything. Similarly, here in line number 68, first of all, engine will check what is this condition. Okay, greater than equal to, it will work on it. Then it will check what is the next condition, and then again it will act accordingly. Then what is the next condition, less than equal to, then again it will do this operation, right? But in
Yeah.
this between,
Yeah.
everything is well understood, right? What he has to do, correct? So
Correct.
everything is well known here. So that is why 69 will take less time, and this is good from performance perspective between operator. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So that is why in the first class, demo class, I think few of you have asked the question that then we do you cover the optimization and the performance. And I have answered that optimization or performance is something which we will cover in each and every keyword. So see what all we will be studying down there, and each and every keyword. Simultaneously, I'll be telling you where to use which keyword, which is good from performance. Okay. Hope it is clear, guys.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I move to the next question if it is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, question number 1, question number 2 is over. Question number 3, that is SQL query to fetch the records of employees who are from HR department. So what you will do for this, can you tell me? Select a star from department where?
Department name.
Department.
Who
Department
are
name
working in
is
HR
equal to HR.
department.
Equal to
Good.
HR.
Good, good. So you all can do this question.
Yes.
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 Very good, very good. Very brilliant students. Good. Okay, for this, what you will do? Question number 4.
Same thing. Just
It
Same
is
employee name
query you
equals
will
okay,
use.
same.
No, how you
Employee
can use
name
same
equals
query? This
to
is
I meant to say
employee table,
name.
no?
Name.
No,
employee.
tell me the full query. Select a star. What?
Select star
What you write?
from
Select
employee
star
where
from.
employee name equal to A.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are telling you will write select a star from employee where employee name. This is what you will write, correct?
Capital.
no in capital.
Capital.
Capital A.
Oh, you want to give this in capital letter. Why? Why you want to give it in capital letter?
That's the
Data is
Because it
case
is
sensitive.
Data is
Data is
capital.
case sensitive. Okay, good, good. Okay, next question. Write a SQL query to list the details of employees from HR department considering case insensitive search. This is very important question. I want you guys to solve it. Okay, this is the last question. After this, I will stop this session. Don't worry. I know this is maybe this is getting overdose today. Okay, not an issue. So this is your department table. So you want all the employees who are from HR department, right? That is the question. Select a star from department where department is equal to HR. Okay, I'm running this query. Is this correct output, guys?
no.
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 We missed to display this employee, right? He is also from HR. Why? Why it is not visible here?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive.
HR capital
Case
letter.
sensitive.
Oh, okay, okay. Data is
Uppercase.
case sensitive. I have given uppercase HR. Okay. So okay. So for that I will do this. Oh my God. Background noise is there. Thanks for disturbing everyone. Okay. So for this, what? Okay, I will execute this query now. Is this correct output?
No.
No.
What happened here? Uppercase HR employees we
Upper.
missed. Okay. Okay. What to do then in this case? What I
And
should do?
HR small
We
and
can
You
apply
can use
the
uppercase.
Upper. Upper.
Upper will use. Right? We'll write upper department and then this will be, oh, sorry. Uppercase, right? Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Now verify that this I think we have discussed yesterday. We
Yes.
got all the HR.
Yeah.
Just 3 records, HR in uppercase. So here in this record, first letter H is in uppercase. Everything is in lowercase HR. So you got all the records. So when you want to do case insensitive search, you have to use upper. Okay, those who are working on Microsoft SQL Server, please don't check this. It will not work there. Why? Because by default, when you will install it, no, by default, they make it intentionally case insensitive. So when you will write department is equal to HR, it will search all the HRs. Okay. So don't get confused. That is why I told you. By default, when you will install it, then the default installation is case insensitive automatically. So that is why practice on this one. Okay.
Tanvi, can you go to the question number 2nd?
I will go to that. First of all, is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Which question you are telling? Question number 2nd.
Second, yeah.
Second number, yes, this is the question.
So here we have to find the total number of students, the count.
Total number of students. So I think I've given number. No, ignore this then. So
Okay,
it is like let's say to find the students. Okay.
okay.
Good catch. Count I have not out. No. Okay, leave this.
Yeah.
Find the students. Okay. Fine. Okay. So fine then, guys. I will stop here. Please work on. If you have not worked on this assignment, please work on it again and go through the recording. These basics are very important. And then we will connect in the next class Monday. I will share few more assignment questions, not much because we have not discussed anything new today. I have just revised what we discussed yesterday and operator and or operator, right? Okay, fine then. I will connect next class. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
You
you.
too.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.